Hey guys, today I want to show you how to reset an HP Officejet 6500 printer. There's different reasons why you would want to do that, but and I'm pretty sure by now you know why. And to do a semi-full reset, we're going to press the start button and the pound button together and let go. And then we're going to hit 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to use the arrow keys to go right. There's information menu that you can go into, and there's resets menu, system configuration, all these menus here. And we're going to go back to the resets menu, and then we want to either do a partial reset. Semi-full reset is is probably the best one you would want to do, and we're going to press OK. And now our printer is reset. Go ahead and unplug from the back and just wait, or unplug from the electric circuit and wait for about a minute just for it all to reset fully, and then just plug it back in, turn it on, and your printer is now reset. Let's see what the menu asks for right now, or can't really remember if it goes back to just normal menu or if it's going to start asking you questions. So after the reset, it's going to want to do an alignment. So go ahead and put the paper in there, or make sure you have some, and then you're going to press OK. And it's just going to start doing its initial setup on the printer. Hope this helps you. Please like this video if we were able to help you, share it with others who need help, and subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.